Hi guys, ito naman ay mustard. Ang laki na nila guys. Ayan yung mustard. Ito pa yung ating mustard guys. Ayan. Hello everyone. Ito na yung ating garden guys. Yan, tingnan nyo. Puro green na ang makikita. Hindi pa lahat na taniman guys. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon ay corn. Ayan yung ating lettuce guys. Ang dami na din lettuce natin. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dami. Hi. Hello everyone. Tingnan nyo guys yung strawberries natin at malapit na mahinog yung isa. Mayroon pang kasunod. Marami na siyang bunga ang strawberries. Ayun, meron pa dito guys. Ayan pa. Ang dami ng bunga. Ayan, meron pa. Ayan. Ayan, may mga bulaklak pa. Dito, maraming bunga guys. Ayan, may mga bulaklak pa guys. Ayan, malaki na. Hi everyone. Ito na yung ating onions guys. Ang gaganda na nila. Ang bilis tumubo. Yan, ang dami ng dahon. 2 rows ito guys. Yan na sila. Ang tataba na nila. Ayan. Ang dami. Ayan, hanggang doon yan sa dulo. Ayan. Ang haba. Ito naman ay radish. Mayroong mahaba na radish, color white. Mayroon na bilog lang, color red. At saka mayroon din white na bilog. Assorted siya guys na radish. Malalaman na lang ito pagka lumabas na yung laman. Yan, ang dami din yan guys. Ito naman ay spinach. Yan guys. Assorted naman itong spinach dito guys. Ayan. Mayroong pula, may puti. Sa atin ay yung alugbati. Doon sa dulo ang alugbati. Ayan. Ayan yung color. Violet. And then doon sa dulo yung alugbati guys.
Hello everyone, here we are again in our garden. We are planting tomatoes. We brought them up from seed and now we're planting them. There's quite a few of them, so different varieties. And once they start growing a little bit, I'll come out here and put some posts in the ground and put some fencing up and tie them to the fence so they stay upright. And some of our potatoes is popping up now. So that's good. Some of the red potatoes, but they're the first ones we planted, so that's good. The rest of the garden's looking pretty good. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, radishes, onions, strawberries, carrots, chilies, eggplants. It is all looking very good. Jalapenos. Thank you very much. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and enjoy our garden with us. Thank you very much.
Hello guys. Ito na yung radish natin. Malaki na. Pwede na siya.
Are you talking to the rabbit? Say it, I'm sorry.
Yes, oh look. Meron yung puti. Guys, yun ang kasunod. Yun, may pula pa. Puti at saka pula.
White radishes?
Yeah, next is white. This one is red. This one is red. There is a white also here.
White also there?
Yep. Oh, this one is white. No, not yet ready.
Not good. Well, they are good, but they're not
Oh, there's a white also here.
white ones. They cut them up and put them in soups and stuff. They're good. Yeah. They're about that long.
Yes. Oh, look.
All right. That's a white one.
Yeah. There's a long also, but I don't know where is it.
Oh, there's a long one, but you don't know where it is?
Yeah. There's another one, guys, na puti. Ah. Yes, may pula pa.
Because I out there on if I can take a AC back to the house. Back to the house. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. We got the cauliflower planted. Now we're started on the rest of the broccoli. Nice. Three more plants. And our broccoli should be done. Got some jalapeno peppers to plant, or at least one. Then we've got a tomato that's ready to plant. We've got more tomatoes, but they're not quite ready. I like to take broccoli and cauliflower and carrots and mix them together and freeze them, blanch them and freeze them. Thank you, everyone. God bless you and keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Ito naman yung green na cabbage. Nagpo-form na sila ng vegetables, guys. Yan. Ang lalaki na nila. Nagpo-form na sila ng vegetables. Ayan. Ayun. Ito naman yung broccoli, guys. Yan. Ang dami din namin na broccoli. Ito naman cabbage. Yan. Ang dami na nila. Ito na yung view ng ating garden, guys. Puro green na yung makikita. Yan. Ang ganda na. Ganda na tingnan. Yung dito, 3 rows ito, corn. Yan. Dito naman ay 3 rows ng potatoes. Yan, mahaba yan, guys. Ito naman ay pickle cucumber. Yan siya. Dito, 3 rows yan ay corn. Tsaka natubo na yung corn natin, guys. Yan. Yung unang rows ay corn na yan. Natubo na siya. Ito naman ay row ng cantaloupe at saka watermelon na red at saka yellow. This one ay zucchini. Ayan. Yan na. Hindi ko pa natapos linisin yung 1/4 yata o 1/3 na iwan. Yan. Ganyan na yung view ng ating garden. Doon sa kabila hindi na namin nagawa. At ang lawak na dito, guys. Siguro next year na. Dito muna. Dito na lang. At magtatanim pa rin ako ng corn. Pag natapos ko na yan, guys, kalinis. Hello, guys. Tingnan nyo yung red cabbage namin. Malalaki na. Yan. 6 na puno ito, guys. Yan. Yan ang cabbage na red. Malalaki na sila.